online class. Thank you. Yan. How about the others? Jovelyn, Medrick, yon. Princess, Shera, yan. Dwight, CJ, Akisha, yan guys. Si Shera hindi nagsisindi ng ano. Yan. San Martin, Alex, sino pa ba? Janrick, Jan Paulo, tsaka si CJ. Oh, please turn on your cameras na. Yan. Can I take a picture of us? Okay. Yan. Okay. So today, good morning everyone. So ang gaganda at ang pupogi nyo pa din, of course. Kahit yung iba, halatadong nagtatampo na sa tubig kasi yung tubig nanlalamig na ulit. So hindi na siya yung dating hindi na siya dating tubig na kakilala natin. Nanlalamig na siya. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, hindi na kayo maliligo. Okay. So let's start. So since the meeting is now already recorded, we are now ready to start our lesson for today. Okay? So let us bow down our heads, close our eyes, let us pray. I will lead the prayer today. Dear God, thank you for giving us a wonderful day. Thank you for always giving us what's the best for us every day, O Lord. Maraming salamat po na lagi mo kaming ini-impress, lagi mo po kaming pinapawaw sa lahat ng ibinibigay mo sa amin. And today, Lord, we claim our victory. I hope that the kids today will have the wisdom that they need in order for them to understand our lesson. Ingatan mo po sila at kanilang mga magulang sa araw-araw at pagpalain mo nawa ang mga batang ito at syempre kanilang mga magulang as well, O Lord. Itinataas namin ang online class namin ngayon na sana ay maging matiwasay. Bigyan nyo rin po ako ng talino para maturuan ng mga batang ito at para magamit nila ang lahat ng sinasabi namin sa eskwelahan sa totoong buhay, O Lord. With that, we love you. We give you back all the glory, honor, and praises. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Okay. Ayan. So, let's start. I guess we are now ready to start. So, ayan. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. Okay lang yun, Jovelyn. Okay, today is Monday and our lesson for today is all about proportion. Okay? Last time, it's about ratio. Now, it's about proportion. Si ratio at si proportion, halos magjowa yan. They go together talaga. And with that, madali lang to para sa inyo. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So, by the way, for today's lesson, guys, we need to find the missing term in a proportion and then solve problems involving direct, partitive, and inverse proportion in different contexts such as distance, rate, and time using appropriate strategies and tools. So don't worry, madali lang siya. So introduction tayo. So here are the kumbaga lesson expectation. So as I've mentioned, learning outcomes is of course for you to solve. So ina-expect ko kayo na mamaya magagamit nyo ang skill ng pagsosolve sa tatlong kinds of proportion. Yung direct, yung inverse, at saka partitive. So pag-uusapan natin. Now, to formally start with, ano nga ba ang proportion? So what is proportion, guys? Okay, anyone who can read? Ah, sino bang pwede? Lloyd Cabusas. Would you mind to read, Kuya?
Proportion is a statement of equality between ratio. The first and last terms in the proportion are called extremes, while the second and third terms in the proportion are called means.
Okay, very good. Minsa, hindi mens. Baka nga iba yun. Hindi, joke lang. I'm just kidding. Okay. So, as mentioned, narinig nyo na proportion is a statement of equality between ratio. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang dalawang ratio ay parehas, ang ibig sabihin nun, sila ay proportion. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng proportion ay equal. I will repeat. If if two ratios are equal, they are called proportion. For example, one half, one half, 1:2 equals 2:4. So they are both ratio and they have the same value. That's why they are called proportion. Oh, sana nakukuha 'yun, guys, ha. Now, ang tawag dito, okay. So now let us have an example. For example, 3:4 and 6:8. Now I will show you bakit sila naging proportion. Now, you have to cross multiply. Okay? You have to cross multiply para malaman mo kung sila ay proportion. Pag equal sila, ibig sabihin proportion sila. Now, 3 times 8. What's the answer? 3 times 8, guys.
24. 24.
24. 24.
24. Very good. Now, how about 6 times 4?
24.
24.
24.
24.
Again?
24 po.
20?
4.
24. Now, they are both 24. So, ibig sabihin, they are proportion or not?
Proportion.
Proportion po.
Okay, very good.
Proportion po.
Lagi niyong tatandaan, pag sinabing proportion, ibig sabihin lang nun, equal. Okay? Oh, yun lang. Madali lang siya. Now, sir, paano naman pag may nawawala? Paano, sir, pag may nawawala? Oh, yan ang mahirap. Mahirap kasing maghanap ng nawawala. Kasing hirap siya maghanap ng jowa. De, charot. Charot lang. Bata pa kayo. Okay, sir, paano nga ba? 2:4 is equal to 3:to x or 3 is to a number. To find the value of x, madali lang siya. Imumultiply mo lang yung, anong tawag daw sa second ulit?
Mean.
Mean. Okay? Yung nasa loob, mean. Yung nasa labas, extreme. Okay? Nagets niyo ba? Hindi.
Opo.
Hindi niya yata nagigets eh. Okay. Ano ulit tawag sa 4 taka 3?
Mean.
Mean. Okay. Anong tawag ulit sa 2 and x?
Extreme.
Extremes. Very good. Now, let us move on. Now, all we have to do is to multiply them. Okay? Now, I will give you time to multiply. 2 times x. Oh, get your get your notebook and your pen so that you can list it down. You can list down the given. Okay? Now, list down the given numbers so that you will have hands-on activity para mas maintindihan. Okay? Ayun, okay na. Okay, now, the first step you have to do is to multiply 2 times x. O, 2 times x is what? Guys, 2 times x. Anyone? Lagot. 2 times x.
Number.
2x.
Eh di 2x, pagsasamahin mo lang siya. Okay? Paano ba to? I'll just get a sheet of paper dito. Okay. So, ganito siya. So, 2 is to 4 is equal to 3 is to x. O, ganito guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Syempre hindi. hindi nakikita, sorry. So, 2 times x is 2x. So, ilagay na, ilista, 2x. Tapos, lagyan ng colon. Okay? 2x. Ganito siya, oh. Ano ba? 2x. O, ganyan. Okay? Nakuha? Nakuha na. O, baka hindi nyo nakukuha, ha? Okay. Now, next. 4 times 3. O, now, write your answer. 4 times 3. That's very simple. 4 times 3. Okay. Now, what's your answer? 4 times 3?
12.
12.
12. Good. So, let us write 12. Now, lagyan nyo ng over. Ganyan. Lagyan nyo over. I don't believe in Nirvana. Oh, yan na. Now, ang problema natin dito ngayon, the next step is, anong i-divide natin sa 2x para matanggal yung 2? Aaron.
2, sir.
Ayan ha. Oh. Kung sinong kasama ni x, dun natin i-divide yung number. I will repeat it in English. Any number accompanied by x will be used to divide to both sides. So, anong kasamang number ni x dito?
2.
2. Okay, so we will write 2. We will write 2. Nagets ba? Okay, now do it on your notebook. Don't just listen. Okay. Okay, now. 2. Now we will divide. 2 divided by 2.
1.
1. Okay. Sir, bakit hindi mo ilalagay yung 1? Understood na yon. Kasi isang x lang siya, ibig sabihin 1x yan. Nagigets nyo? So, tanggal na siya. Now, for example, 12 divided by 2.
6.
6.
6 po.
Okay, so ano si x?
6.
6. Nagigets nyo ba? 6. Oh, now, palitan natin si x ngayon. Gawin natin siyang 6. Palitan na natin si x. Sana all kayang palitan si x. De, charot. Okay, so si x gawin na natin 6. Now, let us multiply again. 2 times 6.
12.
12. Let us write 12. How about 4 times 3?
12.
12. You see? Are they proportion or not?
Proportion.
Proportion.
Proportion. Okay. Sinong nakakuha ng tamang sagot?
Opo, sir.
Nakuha nyo? Nakuha ba? Nagets? Nagets ba hindi? Okay.
Nugget po.
I will try to repeat the process. Okay, so 2 times x is equal to 4 times 3 ang ginawa natin. Now, 2 times x is 2x and 4 times 3 is 12. Then, we think of a number that we can divide to both 2 and 12. In this case, dahil 2 ang kasama ni x, i-divide natin siya para mawala na yung kasama ni x. Wow, bitter. Okay, so 2, then we will divide. So x na lang matitira. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, for the checking, we will just multiply. 2 times 6 is equal to 4 times 3. Pare silang 12, so our answer is correct. Tama? Now, let us try answering the following. Okay? Now, let us try to answer the following. Number 1, number 2. Number 1 muna. Okay? Number 1 muna. Yes or no lang tayo. Sir, paano ko ulit malalaman kung paano ko po siya paano po sila proportion? Ganito lang po siya. Extreme times extreme, mean times mean. Gawin nyo na yung nandito sa checking para malaman nyo if it is a proportion or not. Okay, I will try to read the direction first. I will try to read the direction. Determine the given pair of ratios in proportion or not by multiplying both extremes and means. Write yes if proportion and no if not proportion. Saan kayo magsasagot? Sa answer sheet, guys, meron yan sa answer sheet nyo. Answer it on your answer sheet. Okay? Now, I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes? 3 minutes lang. I'll give you 3 minutes to answer the following. I will play a background music while you are doing your task para enjoy. Hindi tayo mabore. Thank you. Okay. And your 3 minutes will start now.
I see you parlaying Desi, cross between Essie and the Jet Ski. When they get messy, go lefty like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the Vespas or rent a jet ski. I know the spots that got the best weed. We going next week. I wanna honor you. Rise groom, I'm my father's child. I know when the son takes the first step, the father's proud. If you make it to the water, he'll part the cloud. I know he made you a snack like Oscar Brown. Suffer it to be so. Hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. You wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. You wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. You wait another second. The way you hold me, feel so holy.
Oh, okay. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Please comment done if you are done. Thank you. Good morning, Daniel. You will just write yes or no, guys, baka mamaya kung ano-ano pang gagawin nyo dyan. You will just write yes or no, but please perform the checking method so that you can determine whether the given numbers are proportion or not. Thank you. I will wait. 1 minute. Hey. 1 minute, guys. Thirty seconds. Comment done if you're done. Use your answer sheet, please. Thank you. Hey, hey. Okay, Jeff. Okay, San Martin. Thank you. Okay, I will give extra 20 seconds for those who are not yet done. 20 seconds. 30. Sige, 30 seconds. Oh, Medrick, sakit ulo post na yan. Okay, done na daw. Okay, done na si Jobilin. Akisha, done na din. Okay, so I guess we can now start, guys. We can now start. Okay. Okay, so now I will call people who will try to answer the following. Okay? Now, stop writing. Please be honest. Okay, God is watching you. Okay. So, now let's start. Kobe, would you mind to answer number 1? Okay, answer number 1, Kobe. Si Kobe muna. Kobe. Go na, Kobe.
Yes po, sir.
Yes. Why? Bakit yes, Kobe?
Pag pinag-times mo sila, sir, pareho po.
Ano yung parehong sagot nila?
Dose po, sir. 12.
Okay, so number 1 is yes. They are proportion. Okay. How about number 2? How about number 2? Okay, Akisha. How about number 2, Akisha? Yes? Ano daw? No? No ba yan?
Yes daw, sir.
Yes. Bakit siya yes? Anong ginawa nyo?
Each table has two boxes. The box top is the numerator and the bottom is denominator.
Ang ingay dyan, Akisha. Okay. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng number 2. Okay? Tuturuan ko kayo ng pro moves. Hindi 164. Hindi na kayo abot ng 164. I will teach you how to get or make things lighter. Okay? Now, look at 24 and 28. Malaki ba siya?
Opo.
Laki.
Opo, sir.
Malaki. I-try nyong i-lowest term. Now, try it to lowest term, guys. Try lang.
4.
Divide it by 4.
6/7.
Now, what's the answer?
6/7.
6/7. Obvious na obvious ng sagot, di ba? 6/7 is equal to 6:7. Hindi na kayo mag-iisip. So, this is, number 2 is, yes. Yes na yes. Okay. How about number 3? Who wants to answer? Sige, Daniel.
No po.
No. Bakit no? Why
Two
no? Sige,
times
go.
12, sir.
2
2
times
times
12
12,
is?
24.
Okay.
4 times 5 equals 20. Doon na
Okay,
po
so
umpisa magkakat.
Okay, very good, Daniel. Gusto ko yung answer. So since 2 and 12 is 24, 5 times 4 is 20, 24 is not equal to 20. So the answer is no. Ay, ba't ganun? Ba't ganun? Basta no yan no. Sorry. Number 4, 28 over 42 and 2 over 3. Technique, do it now. Lowest term nyo muna yung 28 and 42 para mas maliit. Okay? 28 and 42, lowest term nyo po muna. So what's the lowest term of 28 and 42?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Okay. 2 over 3 siya. Obvious na obvious na. So what's the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay ka lang, Jovelyn? Bakit 20? You divide it by 14, ate. You divide it by 14. 14, 28. Tama ba? Tama. Yun. Okay. So this is yes. Okay. How about the others? How about the others? How about si Alucard? Alucard, would you mind to do number 5, kuya? 15 is to 20 and 5 is to 6. Okay, if you will try to get the lowest term of 15 and 20, what will be the answer?
Five
3
over
over
5.
4.
How about Jap? Jap. How about Jap? 15
No,
over
sir.
20. No. I'm asking first. What is the lowest term of 15 is to 20? You divide it both side by 5.
5 over 4, sir.
No. 3 over
4.
3 over 4. Is 3 over 4 equal to 5 over 6?
No.
No, of course. Okay, so check your answers na po. Be honest. Basta pagkatapos ng klase natin, papapirma nyo po yung mga ginagawa natin sa mga magulang. Okay? Now, number 1 is yes. Number 2 is yes. Number 3, no. Number 4, yes. Number 5, no. Okay? Now, comment your score on chat box so that I can see who understood our lesson and who are not. Okay, number 5, 5 over 5. 4 is to 5. 5 is to 5. 4. But the others? Okay? 5 over 5. Okay. So now, let us move on. Diba? Dali lang mag-move on. Di, charot lang. Okay. So now, guys, this is the reminder, guys. Lagi niyong tatandaan. In any mathematics problem, mag-lowest term muna kayo para di kayo mahirapan mag-multiply. That's always the rule. Simplify muna bago kayo mag-multiply. Okay, now. Dito naman, hahanapin nyo si x. Okay? Kahit wala pa kayong x, hahanapin nyo si x. I will read the direction. Determine the missing term in proportion 1 to 5. Okay? So I'll give you enough time. I'll give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay? Don't worry. Nakita nyo na sa activity sheet nyo? Daniel, what page on your activity sheet? I-share lang natin sa klase natin.
Number 4.
4, sir. 4.
Okay, page 4. Oh, baka hindi nyo alam. Page 4. Okay, page 4, guys. Page 4. Okay. Page 4 Okay. Your 5 minutes will start now. Just please comment done if you're done. Thank you. Mag-lowest term muna kayo, guys, ha. Review your answers if you're done. Okay, 2 minutes. Guys, sobra na tayo sa 5 minutes. Ano na ang nangyari? Ang paghahanap lang ng value, guys, imumultiply nyo lang. Okay, halimbawa, number 1, 5 times n, tapos 12 times 35. Tapos, pag nakuha nyo na yung sagot, 5n divided by 5. Tapos yung 12 times 35 divided by 5. Ganun lang yun kasimple. Okay? Sige, take time. Bibigyan ko kayo another 5 minutes para matapos. Okay? Bibigyan ko kayo ng another 5 minutes para matapos. Gagawa ko ng video na kung saan mas mapapadali yung mga ginagawa natin ngayon. Okay? Don't worry. Nilakihan lang yan para matesting kung marunong kayo mag-divide at marunong kayo mag-times. Okay? Pero tuturuan ko kayo ng technique. Okay. Guys, pakisindi po yung mga cameras nyo. Baka mamaya iba ang iba ang nagsasagot. Okay, so start. Yan, please turn on your camera so that I can see your faces. Okay na? Okay guys, let's check na siguro. Masyado na matagal eh. Masyado na bang matagal? Okay, sige. I will teach you a simpler way to solve. Okay? Number 1 muna tayo. Number 1. Okay, stop writing please. Number 1. Guys, stop writing. Okay. So now, I will teach you how. Yung para mas simple, hindi yung nagmumultiply kayo ng malaki. Okay? I will teach you how. Ganito ko siya ginagawa. Pero ito, technique ko lang. Bahala kayo kung ano yung technique nyo. So, ganito yung technique na ginagawa ko. So, let's move on. O, yan. Punta tayo dyan. So, now, isusulat ko siya ng pa-colon form. Mas maganda kasi if you will answer it in colon form. Okay? So, colon form natin siya. 5. Yan. 5 is to 12 equals 35 is to n. O, tama. Ani? Sorry ah. Ba't ganun? Wait lang guys ha. Nagulat din ako sa ano ko eh. Sa pagkakasulat. Okay. 5 is to n is equal to 35. 5 is to 12 is equal to 35 is to n. Now, ang gagawin nyo guys, yung multiply, tama po ba? So, ang gagawin ko dito, extremes muna, eto muna, 5 times n, so equals 5. Ayaw gumalaw. Wait lang ha, kukuha lang ako ng mouse. Pasmado kasi ako eh, ayaw na magsulat pag basa na yung yung daliri ko. Ayun, okay na ulit. 5n. Pasmado problems. Wait lang guys. 5n is equal to, ang ginagawa ko dito guys, hindi ko siya pinagmumultiply. Sir, paano gagawin mo? Ganito ginagawa ko. So 12 times 35. Ganyan ko siya ginagawa. Kasi syempre, ang laki. So ganyan lang muna siya. Okay? And then, ang ginagawa ko dito, tsaka ko siya di-divide. Sir, anong number ang gagamitin ko pang divide? Anyone? Sir, anong gagamitin ko number pang divide?
5 po.
5 po, sir.
5. Oh. Siyempre, basic na 5. Okay, 5. Over, lagyan natin dito ng 5. Di-divide ko siya dito sa 35, tama? Tama po ba ako? Kasi yung 5 divisible sa... Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito, 5 divided by 5 is n. Equals, ang gagawin ko dito, 12. Kasi hindi ko naman dyan i-divide times, i-divide ko siya dito sa 35. So, 35 divided by 5.
7.
7.
7.
Okay, 7. Ngayon, n is equal to 12 times 7. 12 times 7.
84.
72.
72.
84.
74.
4.
84. Okay, so 84. Oh, ngayon, i-check natin kung tama ba si Sir sa itinuro niyang technique sa inyo. 5 is to 12 equals 35 is to n. Okay, pero itong n, alam na natin na 80. Sorry guys ha, pasmado kasi ako eh. Ito, 35 is to 84. So let us write. O yan, 84 na siya. O now, ang gagawin nyo muna dito, para mas madali sa inyo, i-lowest term nyo muna siya. Okay, lowest term. Saan ko i-divide ang 35 na pwede kong i-divide sa 84? So, gamitin natin yung 7. 35 divided by 7.
5.
Oh, 5. Ano ba yan? So, 5. Sorry guys ha, pasmado eh. 5 is 2. Tapos, 7 divided by 84 is equal to, ito, is 12. So, ibig sabihin, 5 is to 12, 5 is to 12. So, ang answer dito ay 84. Nagigets ba o hindi? Sinong nakakuha ng number 1?
Ako, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now, number 2 tayo. Try natin ulit yung number 2. O, i-check natin yung number 2, guys, ha. Sir, paano na naman gagawin ko dito? Eh, ang laki-laki naman kasi ng mga binibigay mo, sir. O, madali lang ito. So, N is to 52. O, so isusulat nyo lang ganyan, 52 is equal to 180 is to 120. So, ano yung una kong sinasabi sa inyo? Pag masyadong malaki, what will you do?
Lowest term po.
Term.
Lowest term
Okay.
po.
So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, i-lowest term natin yung 180 and 120. Saan natin siya i-divide?
20.
40.
Oh, ang una nyong gagawin, pag dalawang ganito, 180, ang gagawin nyo lang, tanggalin nyo muna yung 0. Tanggalin nyo yung 0 sa kabila, tanggalin nyo yung 0 sa kabila. So this will become 18 is to 12. Okay? Nagkaklase ako ng dalawa. Okay. 18 is to 12 na siya, guys, di ba? Now, ang gagawin nyo dito, 18 is to 12 na siya. So, saan nyo na siya i-divide?
2.
Sa 6. O, di ang dali lang lowest term. So, divide it by 6. So, 18 divided by 6 is what?
3.
3.
3,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Ano ba yan? 3. 12 divided by 6 is?
2.
4.
2.
Oh, so 2. So magiging ito ay 2. Oh, madali na lang. Susulat natin siya ulit. N is to 52. Ang hirap naman ng pasmado. N is to 52 equals 3 is to 2. O, madali na lang tong i-multiply. Okay, so extremes muna. 2 times n is equal to
2n.
2n. Okay, 2n. 2n. Now, we will multiply 52 times 3. So, ang gagawin muna natin, 3 times 2.
6.
6. Okay. 3 times 5.
15.
15. Okay. So, we will write 15. Okay. So, 156. Now, let's divide. Saan natin siya i-divide? Sa
2.
Sa 2. Very good. Okay, so write 2. Ang laki. Write 2. Then, cancel mo. N na lang matitira. Now, sir, paano ka magdi-divide ng ganyan para hindi na masayang oras mo? Ganyan ko lang siya. 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2.
7.
7.
7. Okay, carry 1. So, 16 na to.
8.
Okay, 16 divided by 2.
8.
8.
8. Okay, so what's the answer?
78.
78. So, number 1 is 84. Number 2 is 78.
8.
Okay, sino ulit nakakuha sa inyo?
Ako, sir.
Guys, nakakuha nyo ha? Okay, number 3. Now, who wants to answer number 3? Eto, madali lang naman ito. Okay, who wants to answer number 3? Guys. Who wants to answer number 3? Aaron James. Aaron.
24. 24, sir, sagot.
24 ang sagot. Bakit siya 24, Aaron?
Pinag-multiply ko po muna yung ano po, yung sa extreme po. Yung
Okay.
dalawa pong may value po.
Okay. And then?
Yung sunod po, yung naman po yung pinag-multiply ko po.
Okay. Guys, nagigets niyo ba? Parang nalulungkot na ako sa inyo. Parang hindi niyo na na-enjoy yung lesson. Tama si Aaron, 24. So, bakit 24? Sir, bakit 24? Okay. 24 siya kasi nga, ang ginawa ni Kuya Aaron, 18 is to n equals 21 is to 28. So, ang ginawa ni Kuya Aaron, sinulat niya ulit yung 18 is to n, and then, ini-lowest term niya ang 21 at 28. So, naging 3 is to 4. Kasi, dinivide po niya sa 7. Okay? Ngayon, ipinag-multiply niya ang extremes. So, 4 times 8 is 32. Carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Equals, min naman, n times 3 is 3n. Then, i-divide natin sa 3. I-divide natin sa 3. Okay? Then, cancel. Equals n. So, 7 divided by 3 is 2. Dahil 6 lang yon, carry 1. So, 12 times divided by 3 is 4. So, the answer is 24. Okay ba kayo? Okay ba? Parang di na kayo okay. Kaya pa? Kaya pa ng brain cells nyo? Kaya pa ba ng brain cells? Hindi na. Hindi na kayo sumasagot.
Kaya pa, sir. Kaya pa.
Yeah. Saan na to patungo? Hindi ko na kasi alam. Okay. Now, let us try again. Guys, okay now. Please participate para hindi tayo antukin kasi nalulungkot na ako sa inyo. Parang inaantok na kayo ulit. Okay, wait lang Burahin lang natin. Okay. Now, let's try again. Okay, you can do it, guys. You can do it. Laban lang ng laban. Okay, number 4. What is the first step, guys? What's the first step? Shera. Hindi mo yung microphone mo, Shera. Nalulungkot na kasi yun. Ayaw nyo nang sumagot. Okay, ulitin natin. Sa number 4, isulat natin n is to 4 equals 24 is to 6. Now, okay. Now, ilista ulit natin n is to 4 and then i-lowest term po natin. Anong i-divide natin sa 24 and 6 para makuha natin yung lowest term?
4. 4. 4 po, sir.
4 sa 6.
6. Okay? 6 natin i-divide. Now, 24 divided by 6 is what?
4.
4.
4. Very good. 4. 6 divided by 6 is what?
1.
1 po, sir.
1. Okay, then, multiply natin. N times 1.
1N.
1N or
1N.
N. 1N or N is equal lang. Then, 4 times 4.
16.
4 times 4 is?
16.
16. Di yun na yung sagot. 16 na kaagad. Di ba? Ganun ang technique. Kailangan mag-lowest term muna kayo so that hindi kayo mahirapan na mag-multiply. Okay, now, number 5 tayo. This is already, this is very simple. Now, let us first write the given numbers. So, 10. Wow. Ano bang ginagawa nitong daliri ko? Basang-basa na kasi ito eh. Wait lang guys ha. Okay. Where's the cursor? Oop, sorry. Okay, 10 is to 16. So, 10 is to 16 equals, I'll just erase the writings muna so that you can focus your mind. Yan. Yan. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, 10 is to 16 is to 16 pagtsagaan nyo na is equal to n is to 56. So, ang gagawin nyo dito sa 10 is to 16, ilo-lowest term natin siya, divide natin siya sa 2. So, yung 10, magiging 5, and then yung 16, magiging 8, equals n is to 56. And then, you will multiply. Ganyan. Pag masyadong malaki, guys, ganyan lang siya. 5 times 56. But be sure that 56 will be divisible by 8. Okay, so this will become 8n. Are you still okay? Now, you divide it both sides by 8. Okay, so you divide both sides by 8. Then you will cancel out the 8. It will give you n. Then 56 divided by 8 is 7 times 5. So 5 times 7 is 35 equals n. Therefore, our final answer is 35. Nagigets mo ba? Baka hindi nyo na nagigets ha. I'm trying to make it simpler so that you can enjoy mathematics. Because the less you know, of course, may hirapan kayo. You will not enjoy our discussion. So please, make sure na tiyagain kahit mahirap so that you will enjoy mathematics. Now, count your scores, comment in the chat box para makita ko kung naintindihan ba or hindi. Okay. 3, 5, 4. Ba't ang tataas? Tas kanina hindi kayo 1 lang si Mark. Ano ba? Okay. 35, 3, 5, 2. How about the others? Hindi Medrick, Janrick. Si Jovelyn hindi ng score. Job, ilan nakuha mo? Daniel, ikaw, ilan nakuha mo? 3. Okay lang yon. How about Alucard? Hindi nakikipag-participate.
2 po, sir.
Okay, 2. Okay. Guys, remember, mathematics has its rule, pero humanap kayo ng mas simpleng paraan. Okay? Not because I told you so, dun na kayo. Kasi if you explore mathematics, there are simple ways. Ganito pa yung ginagawa ko pag minsan. Tignan nyo ha. But do not do this if you cannot understand this one. This one, I will know what's the answer even I will not do computation. So sir, paano? Madali lang siya. Okay, ganito lang siya, guys. Okay, number 1. For example, number 1. Paano ko malalaman na 84 kaagad ang sagot? Wait, makikita sa video. Sir, paano ko malalaman kahit hindi ako nagsosolve? Madali lang. Ganito lang siya kasimple. I will just think of a number. So 5, eto, extreme, extreme, mean, mean. Ang gagawin ko lang, ano kayang tinimes dito sa 5? Bakit siya 5? Anong tinimes sa 5 para maging 35?
7.
7. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ko ding i-type si 12 sa 7. 12 times 7 is
84.
84. So pag tinanong mo ko niyan, ang bilis kong sagutin. Kasi yung 5, itinimes mo sa 7, malamang yung 12, ita-times mo rin sa 7. Nakuha, nakunan? Okay. Punta tayo dito sa Sir, paano dito? 4 tsaka 6. Hindi mo malalaman, sir. Of course, hindi ko malalaman. Yun yung mga instances na pwede kong gawin yon. Di gagawin ko. Kung hindi pwede, mag-stick ka sa traditional. Yun yung sinasabi kong, math has its own way, but you have your own way to solve mathematics. Okay? Okay. Big brain move yun. Okay? Sabi ko nga, the more you know mathematics, the more you enjoy. So please make sure na pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay. So much for that. Let's move on kasi tapos na. Now, sir, how about if word problem na yung problema? Okay, word problem na tayo, guys eh. Sabi dito, for every 3 boys in the class, there are 2 girls. If there are 24 boys, how many girls are there? Okay, now, the general rule in a word problem, gapesa. You will know given, ask, what is the problem, what is the equation, what's the solution, and what's the answer. Okay, dito, for every 3 boys in the class, there are 2 girls. So what is the ratio?
3 is
3
to
to 2.
Okay, so list down 3 is to 2. Pakilista po sa notebook. 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Nalista na? Okay, lagyan ng equals. Punta tayo. Okay? Now, 3 boys is to 2 girls. Ngayon, sabi dito, anong nauna, boy o girl?
Boy.
boys.
Okay, boy, girl. Pag naglista kayo, ganito. Pasmado kasi yung kamay ko eh. Okay, pag naglista kayo, ganito po gagawin ninyo. Lagyan nyo siya ng label. Kasi kahit anong bagay, mahirap pag walang label. Hindi, joke. Hindi yung joke. Tama yon. Mahirap pag walang label. Okay, so lalagyan nyo 3 is to 2. Lagyan nyo siya dito ng sa taas. Ito, boy, eto girl. Para alam nyo, para alam, ayaw na lumipat, pasmado. Ano ba yan? Okay, para alam nyo, dun sa susunod, ang order pa din ay boy and girl pa din ang order. Okay, so dahil boy and girl yung nauna, boy, girl din dito sa kabila. Okay? Nagigets niyo po ba ako? Para pag nagsulat kayo, hindi baliktad. Now, sabi dito, if there are 24 boys, how many girls are there? Okay, so saan mo ilalagay yung 24? Sa una, sa mean, or sa extreme?
Mean.
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 Oh, sa mean. Okay, so 24. Tapos eto, hindi mo alam, so anong ilalagay mo?
N.
N.
N. Bakit N? Bakit N?
Kasi wala pa
N.
yung value.
Oo, N di ko alam. N di ko alam. De joke. N, number. Big sabihin, a number. So now, gagawin mo dito, mumultiply mo na siya. Mean times mean, extreme times extreme. So magiging 3n equals 2 times 24 is equal to 40. Okay, 48. Okay, so yan, 48. So over 3, okay, now computing nyo na para may ginagawa naman kayo. Go sa papel. Kaya nyo pa? Kaya nyo pa? Laglag balikat na kayo ah. Okay.
12, sir.
Oh, sana nagigets nyo. Oy guys, direct pa lang yan. Wala pang inverse, wala pang partitive.
12, sir.
Oh, 12. Okay? Nakuha nyo ba? Hindi. Nakuha nyo yung 12? Hindi.
No,
Oh,
sir.
try nyo muna. Pag di nyo nakuha, try nyo muna. I'll give you time. Go. Para alam nyo din, para nakuha nyo din. 12 ba? Parang hindi 12.
Hindi, sir. 16 po.
16, sir.
Kasi 48 yun eh. So 4 divided by 3 is 1. Then 18. So 18 divided by 3 is what? Oh, di ba? Ay, nagtaka ako bakit 12. Oh, ano na? Nakuha niyo ba yung sagot?
No po, sir.
Okay. So,
Opo, sir.
who got the correct answer? Hindi pa rin nakuha. Oh my God. Oh my God. So in love. Okay. So the rest, so titigilan ko na kayo kasi mukhang hindi nyo na kaya. Mamaya, gagawa ko ng video. I will create a video and then, etong mga sasagutan ninyo, itong mga to, sasagutan ninyo, mas madali para sa inyo. Sa video mamaya, in the video that I will create and I will send to you later, I will speak in Tagalog. Okay? So that you will understand. Sir, bakit ka ba kasi nag-i-English? Of course, para matuto kayo. Malay nyo, makapunta kayong Amerika, makapunta kayong Korea and whatsoever na country. O, di at least marunong kayo, di ba? Okay, so yun. With that, let's end this session today. Nahirapan kayo, obviously, pero I will try to find a way for you to understand it better. So I will create a video para pag, uy, hindi ko naintindihan si sir, pwede niyong iba. Okay? Gagawa ko ng video. Pero wag niyong tititigan kasi yung mukha ko para hindi kayo ma-distract. Charot lang. Joke lang. Baka mamaya nasusuka na yung katabi niyo dyan. Okay? Hindi, joke lang. I'm just trying to be funny. Okay? Magche-check pa po ng learning task. Siguro wag na muna kasi may klase pa ako. Yung mga sino rito ang nakasali sa checking? Sa susunod na lang ulit guys, pasensya na kayo. Kasi may klase pa ako mamayang 9 o'clock. So, hindi na nakaya ng oras. 8 o'clock nga lang usapan, nag-extend na tayo ng 42 minutes. Pero okay lang yun sa akin. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll just upload the video presentation on how to solve direct, inverse, and then partitive. Okay? Download nyo kasi yung PowerPoint, guys. Pinaghihirapan ko kaya yun. Download nyo yung PowerPoint. Okay? Okay, so yun. Peace, God bless, and I hope you learned something today. God bless. Pwede na kayo mag-out. By the way, bago mag-out, please turn on your I think that would be all. Goodbye. But please turn on your cameras and I'll just take a picture. Thank you.